Hello my friends, and welcome to my channel. I have another puzzle box here, and if I could, I would like to solve it with you today. Today I have here the DaVinci 3.0 puzzle box created by a Russian woodwork designer from St. Petersburg, Russia. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if he makes these anymore, so it may be very hard to find. But as you can see, it looks very similar to the iDventure game's 60-minute Cluebox, which I have here. I have not done this one before, but it's been on my puzzle shelf for many months, waiting for the right time to solve it with you in the next few months. iDventure Games also has 2 new puzzles that I pre-ordered, so I hope to have those in the next couple months as well. As soon as they finish developing them and putting it together, I should have it and make a video for you then. But back to this puzzle box, and since the solve may take some time, let's just get right into it and solve it together right now. So just inspecting the box at first, I'm looking around and there's a lot of different types of symbols. And a lot of these symbols as well are on these dials, and this dial is the only one that moves freely. And then there's one here that is locked. So I have to find the combination for this for sure. And another thing that I see is that there's this hole here, and when you move it, it changes into different numbers or symbols. So I am sure that has to do with something to solve maybe this dial or another step further into this puzzle. So I see one symbol here, another here, here, and at the bottom, and one more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 symbols on here. I found only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7, but 1 is missing. I can't pull this out. This doesn't move. This wiggles a bit, but nothing. There's these little levers here. Can't do anything with that yet because it makes no sense. And there's these windows right here. But there's nothing in here. When I move this, there's nothing as well, so I'm obviously missing something. On the bottom, these legs, they do not move, but then this looks very suspicious. So I am going to see if I can, there we go. I turn that. There is no symbol on this one, but there is these holes here. It doesn't fit. It fits here, but nothing happened. One of those windows is filled. But then there's another one on this side. So let's see if I stick this in. This just popped out. And there's another symbol here. So what I'm going to do, because I'm thinking, because everything has like a different shape, and it seems like they might connect together. I am going to have to draw them out to see how they connect. So from the top, there's this symbol. I want to see if there's a symbol, because this is a flat top. I feel like this is the first one. If I can find a symbol that connects this jagged piece right here. Alright, so do I have it all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yep, so I have them all. And I am going to put it in this order and see if something happens. So let's see here. So let's see if that worked or what it does. So this still doesn't move. None of these move. But let's try this. Aha. So this did work. Aha, now you can see this spinning freely. And here you have a window and you can kind of see, I hope, numbers and such passing through. But as well as here, you have another window doing the same thing. So I'm wondering if this whole situation reflects these two dials. But these also have some symbols on the stick, and I'm wondering if I have to put it in this area like I did last time with this to make something come up in the windows. So yeah, you can see it kind of fit perfectly. There's like a gear, a lock, a key, a clock, a music note, and a house. So I'm wondering if I have to align these accordingly to one of these four, I guess, to open up the next step or box. But in order for me to figure out what these symbols mean, and these symbols, I think I need to translate it somehow. So let me try to do that right now. So let's see. So there's letters here, which I think translates to these numbers here that I just got. That doesn't make sense. So I think I'm doing something wrong. Let me try it the other way. So G E R C L. So I have a bunch of jumbled words here. I don't know if it's right or not, but this kind of makes sense. If I flip it around, I can get house. And then, you know what I forgot? I forgot an A here. So I did get gear. I got house. And I'm pretty sure this says clock, but I think I messed it up. Let me see if I can do it again. While kind of looking at everything, this doesn't make sense, but I think if we connect all these things together, it might make sense. So if I go... Okay, so I have gear, clock, lock, and house. And I think there's 4 here. So the first one is gear. Hope you can see this, but the gear is the first one. I'm going to put it all the way over here. Clock is the next one, and it is over here, the 4th one. So let me align that there. Then lock. The lock is the 2nd one, so I'm going to align that. And then the last one is house. It's all the way at the end. So if that is correct, I feel like this is connected to whatever's going here. So I'm hoping that since there's nothing else to pull, if I pull this up, it should work. Let's try. Let's see. It is not budging. Or start from the bottom to the top. So gear, clock, lock, house. Oh, there you go. So I just had it reversed. And there's an arrow here. It says pull. I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna lift this up, and there you go. The DaVinci 3.0 puzzle box solved. Very cool little wooden card here, and you can see that we solved it. And again, the guy who made it, Derovo Market, has his kind of name right there. So very fun, cool puzzle. And now let's put it back together. And there you go, the DaVinci 3.0 puzzle box. A lot of fun. I love the sequences in this. Try to find something and get the code to unlock another thing, to eventually unlock the box. And you know, it was a lot of fun to me, and I can't wait to try the iDventure games 60-minute Cluebox after this. Hope to do that in January. But thanks for joining, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, check out my channel for more puzzle solving videos, and I will see you next time.